Welcome back, guys, on this 2017 Dodge Durango 2017. I'm gonna show you how to take off this trim panel, the handle, and this mirror, also the glass. All right, let's get to work. First thing you need, guys, get your flathead screwdriver. You're gonna take that piece on out of here and that piece inside here. Get that piece out of there. There's a small one inside here. You're gonna flip that small piece up. There's a screw inside here. That is a number 7. In here we got a number 10 and a number Philip. That's the 10 right there. There's the Philip. Number 7. With your flathead, clip puller, you're gonna put it in the side, you're gonna put a trim panel towards you. Now, once it's loose, go and put it upwards. The clip puller, take that piece out. All you gotta do is just hold it and pry it open. Unplug the wire. Just like that. Put this bad boy aside. That's for the trim panel. That's how you take off the trim panel. Now, let's take off the mirror, and then we're gonna do the handle and the glass. Take this piece off. Unplug it. Take it off. Gonna take off this plug as well. Unplug it. Number 8, 3 of them. Take off those 3 of them. Before you move the last one, go down and hold the glass, because you don't want it to fall and break. Once you do that, go ahead and shake it out. That's it. Comes right out. Now, it's time to take out this handle, but before we take out the handle, we gotta take the glass out. Not only that, in order to get the handle out, you gotta get this piece off of there to get the handle from out of there. This handle is a little bit difficult, but you gotta get this piece out of there and you gotta get the glass down. Go ahead and take out that speaker. That's a started T20. Take out the speaker. You're gonna turn the car on. Open that piece. That piece that you take off earlier, plug it back in. I'm gonna drop the window. Right there where you get. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to get this glass from out of there. I gotta show you from the inside. All right, guys. You guys see that hole right there? Is one hole right there, and there's another hole that is right there. You're gonna put the glass down to that hole. Right, you're gonna put it down until you see the ball. Right there. Right there. You guys see that ball? Right there? There's a ball right there. You're gonna push in that ball and pull on the top of the glass at the same time. You're gonna do the same thing for this side. The ball is right there. You're gonna push in the ball and push on the glass and pull on the glass at the same time. That's how you take out that glass. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I show you guys the point just now. Now I'm gonna show you how to get it out of there. Normally, it takes 2 persons to do it, but you can do it yourself. I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself, but it's best with 2 persons because it's easier. Go ahead and take that piece off. Now, you're gonna use there's the start tip right here. You're gonna push the ball in, and you're gonna pull on this. See, it's loose. It's loose. See, it's loose now. It's loose. You're gonna grab it right here. Don't let this piece drop back down inside there. Grab it right here and put pressure on it in the upward position. And you're gonna push this ball in. It's gonna slide that on you. That's how you do that. Now pull it out. Tilt it. That's how you do that, guys. See, you can do it yourself, all right? So it's not that hard. Once you know how to do something, it's not that hard. Now, let's get the handle from out of there. We gotta get this piece out of there, then we're gonna get the handle from out of there. Don't break this glass because this glass is laminated. It's double. It's pretty expensive. All right, with this piece right here, we're not gonna take it off completely. I'm just gonna show you guys how to get it out your way in order to get to the handle. Y'all see those green things? Go ahead and turn them. This is a T30. Start it. Go ahead and turn it. Just turn it. See? You're gonna turn it and it's gonna drop in the groove. All right, so it's 2 green and 1 white. White is over here. Now, go ahead and take out those 10 screws. Those. Take all those 10s out. clip puller. Take those plugs out. Actually, no, just move that one. Unplug that one. Go ahead and take this piece off. All right, guys, the next thing I want to show you guys, you guys see that purple clip? Go ahead and take off that purple clip right there and take the rod from out of there. See? You're gonna see that? It's out now. So you use your clip puller and go ahead and take out the rod. You see it? Take out the rod, bam, just like that. Next thing you guys gonna do is take them 3 screws from there. Reason why? There's a screw that is right here, and next one that is right here from the inside. That's a good reason why we gotta take those things off to get this piece out of the way to get to those 2 screws. That's a star tip and a T30. All right, guys, see?
You want more?
Yes, leave it there. Go ahead, leave it there. Go ahead and set this piece back. There's 1 screw right there. Take this piece out. Another screw right in there. It's 2 of them, number 8.
Wait.
Actually, no, I'm not.
Put it in here?
Yeah, put it right there. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. There's 1 right there. Another 1 right there. Be careful you don't drop the screw down inside, because if you do, you gotta go in and take it out. All you do is put a piece of tape or some dum-dum and put it on the screw. Get my magnet. That's the next screw right there. The reason why we had to take out the glass and move this piece is to get to the one that's over there. That one is the problem. Now, with all the screws out, go in there and take it out. See? It comes right out. Last thing to do, unplug it. Unplug it, and it comes right out. See that? That's that's done, all right? Not easy, guys, but it get done. Now, all you gotta do is put back this thing, and you're good to go, all right? With that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Working way and checking out.